Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my Winchester model 1887. So here it is. And guys, also please check out my other video as well. And please consider subscribing, okay? So here it is. So first you need a square sheet of paper like this, and you want to make a 8x8 grid, okay? So you want to fold it in half like so. Then you want to unfold that. Then you want to fold the other side in half. Okay. Then you want to unfold that. Then you want to bring all the edges to the center line 2 times, okay? So first, like this. And then again, like so, okay? Do that for the rest of the side. And lastly, on this side as well. So first, like this, and again, like so, okay? Then you unfold all of them. Then you are going to fold up all the crease line like a fan. So fold this up like that. Then follow the crease line and fold a little fan like so. Okay. Now this is going to be the front side. So what you want to do is you're going to make a fan going the other direction now, this direction. And on the third part, you're not going to fold the center part, okay? Let me show you. So first fold the first crease line right there. Fold this up, fold the corners up as well, like so. And then you're going to fold that second crease line right there. Okay, so fold down the second crease line, then fold the corners together. And now, these gonna be 2 corners right here, right? So you see these 2 squares? You're gonna fold those 2 squares diagonally in half, okay? Towards the center, like that. And you're gonna fold these corners as well. Okay, fold the corners. And don't fold the center parts. Okay. So that's gonna be the front of the gun right here. And now this is gonna be the back of the gun. Okay. For this part, you're gonna just go all the way down, okay? So you see that first crease line right there? Going to fold that first crease line up, fold the corners together like that. Then you're gonna fold that second crease line right there. Then fold down the corners. And now you're gonna fold that third crease line right there, like so. Then fold the corners. And now you see those 2 squares right there? Those are 2 corners, right? So you wanna just fold them down like so. Okay. So make sure the edge is facing towards you. So the longer side should be towards you and the shorter side should be in the back. Okay. Then you want to fold this whole thing in half. Okay. and press it down a little bit. And now you see this bottom piece right here. You see this triangle right there. You want to fold this triangle inside. So you want to open up this pocket right here and fold this triangle in. Okay, then fold this back up. Okay, and now you see this back piece, this piece right here. You want to fold this piece down like so, up to this crease line right here. So from there, where it starts, to the crease line. Okay, and now you wanna look right here, and you see that center. If you look right here, this center square right here, you want to open up one of the pockets right there, and bring this whole edge down to the bottom. So you want to fold this whole thing in half. Okay, so open up one of the pockets there and fold this whole thing in half. Okay, and there will be this triangle thing. You want to just squish that down. Okay, and now you see this top piece right here. You want to kind of fold that out, and you want to fold this whole thing in half. Okay, and fold it back in. Okay, then you see this corner right here. You want to turn to the back and fold in that corner. Okay, and now you see this tip right here, that triangle. You want to fold in that triangle inside. So you want to open up this pocket right here and hide that triangle inside, okay, to make the barrel. Okay, and now you see this triangle, so you want to fold in this triangle right here. So you're going to pre-crease it first, unfold, then you want to open up this pocket and fold this inside. Okay, then you see a third crease line. So this is the first crease line, the second crease line right here, and the third crease line right there. You're going to zigzag fold right there. Okay, so you're going to fold this whole piece down and fold it back out like that. Okay, then you're going to kind of drag it down. Then you see where that crease line is, the second crease line. So the first crease line right there. The second crease line, you're going to do the same thing, okay? So fold this up and then fold it back out. And then you see that back edge. So yeah, you're going to take the back edge and kind of fold it down a bit. So it forms the handle, the grip, and fold in that back corner as well. Okay, then fold the top edge in just a bit. Just like that. Then you see this front edge right here. Fold it back. So same thing on the back. Fold that edge back. And fold a little loop right here. Okay, so around here, there should be a crease line here. Fold that forward. And make a loop like so. Okay, so here is my model 1886. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.